my own style. I have left everything to the last minute, so I need to figure out what I'm going to do with my nails, my hair, my wax, my clothes. Everything needs to get done within like the next 5-6 hours. And I want to go to the gym, so I'll be taking you guys along. But first I wanted to quickly show you guys what I picked up from Shein, because guys, I don't spend lots of money on my accessories, okay? I lose everything, especially earrings and bracelets. Yeah, I have them for like 5 minutes and I can't find them again. So I do have maybe a couple of more expensive pieces of jewelry, but especially seasonal, more novelty-ish jewelry, I don't spend a lot of money. So I made an order from Shein that I have here that I waited so that I can share it with you guys. So my go-to is always gold. Ooh. Especially for holiday. For vacation, I'm always gonna go with gold. I'm not really a super ringy person. Are you guys really ringy people? I don't really wear rings. Like, I'll wear my wedding ring and maybe a couple of plainer rings, but sometimes when I'd be seeing the girls with like stacked rings or jeweled rings, I really like it. But I picked up these and they're basically just really plain ones that I feel like I might be able to stack. I like maximalism on everyone else, right? I love it for everyone else. When I see people with like loads of jewelry, loads of stuff, I think it looks so beautiful, but it's not really something I think, not that I can't pull off, but I just don't think it's entirely me, and I don't want to be try hard, right? So I just picked up these plain ones. It was like a pack of 7. And please guys, ignore my fingers because I was supposed to get my nails done. I've already had a pedicure and I was just going to get some acrylics because that's what I usually get, but I managed to develop a fungus, guys. I know, disgusting, right? But I always have my hand in water. I am washing dishes all of the time. I actually bought some gloves that I was avoiding wearing because I don't love gloves, but the consequence of avoiding wearing them is that you get water lodged under your acrylics, or at least I do, and it managed to develop into like a green fungusy thing. You see, that's so nasty. So I don't want to put acrylics back on, so I've ordered some press-ons that I'm hoping will come in the next few hours. And then I picked up a bracelet because I kind of want to give Grecian. I've got this dress, this brown dress that I want to wear, that I thought that this would look good with. So, oh, she's cute. Oh, she's cute. Oh, do you see? That's very nice. Let me show you. Also ordered some shoes because if you guys don't know, I have very large feet, and I found out that Shein go up to quite large sizes. They go up to like a 45, which I think is equivalent to like a UK 10, maybe even 11. Like, they go up quite high in quite a few of their styles. I picked up these because if you guys have been to Santorini before, you guys will know that it's really rocky. Like, there's hills and very cobbly. So wearing heels, you can, kind of, but you have to probably just go from like the cab to the restaurant or the cab to the bar. You know, you can't do too much walking. So in order to combat that, I picked up some platforms because you guys know I love a platform, okay? Cute, right? I think that they are cute. I can't actually say that I super love this across the front. I feel like it looks a bit clumsy, but we are approaching the end of summer, guys. And I'm trying to be responsible. I'm trying to be an adult, right? And make proper decisions, make appropriate financial decisions. And I feel like buying a pair of really expensive sandals at the end of summer is a bit short-sighted. So I thought that I would buy a more affordable pair that I know I'm going to get my wear out of, that will kind of make me look a bit more feminine because of the platform, but aren't super difficult to wear because there's not a heel. I also picked up a pair of nude shoes because I do have a pair of nude shoes, but I've had them for so long. I picked them up from ASOS and they are actually really bad. They're actually really bad. So I picked up these because I feel like they're going to be easy enough to go with everything, and you know, even not in Santorini, I can wear these. they're not the most comfortable to walk in. What I like about the ones that I have at the moment is that they've got ties around the ankle. I love like the patent nudie colour, and I think that they definitely go with all of the outfits that I'm bringing with me. The last thing I picked up was a clutch, because I was thinking of picking up a Cult Gaia bag, especially like a vacation one, because they have so many really pretty, you know, like sea themed, beach wear, holiday themed bags. But I tried one in the shop the other day and I didn't like the quality, so I was kind of like, okay, let me just pick up one of these. You can't really go wrong with this kind of style of bag. So I also did see one of these in Zara and Mango, you know, if you wanted to buy one off the high street. But I picked up this pearl bag. Look, isn't she adorable? She's very cute. So yeah, I just wanted a bag that had gold detailing. It does come with a strap. Yeah, it looks cute. That will pretty much go with any neutral outfit, and it's kind of vacation-y, and I think that kind of gives it. If I haven't told you guys already, I'm waiting for a few deliveries today. So I was going to get boho braids, but the last time I got boho braids, my edges were crying. They were okay. I think I did okay, but I definitely noticed some thinning in my hair after the braids. But I just feel like maybe the weight of the braids is just too much for me. So I have ordered a braided wig which I've never worn before. I've never worn a braided wig before, but I'm going to see how it goes. If not, I'll either, you know, go with my own hair. But I'm kind of concerned about the humidity. You know, any style that I try to do is going to kind of be punched in the face by some humidity. So I'm probably just going to braid my hair down, and I've got a kinky straight, you know, a long kinky straight wig that I might wear instead if the boho braided wig is trash. But I have everything crossed. And to combat my nail issue, I've ordered some press-ons, and so I can just put them on, you know, for a few hours and then pop them off and give my nails a break. I'm going to have to find somewhere to get my eyebrows waxed. But I'm going to try not to get overwhelmed. And I'm going to take it one step at a time. So the first step is to sort out the packing. So I want to at least do that, and then we'll try and do everything else. So I have the suitcase open and ready. I had to empty it. I usually store stuff in here actually. So I can carry 23 kg. So I've got the suitcase and jump scare, but I also have all of the clothes here because as I was working through my wardrobe earlier, I just started pulling out stuff. So we're just going to put this stuff in. Crochet dress that you guys might have seen. I wore this. I went to Tenerife for my birthday earlier this year, so I picked up this dress from Meshki. I love this dress. Very, very cute. The only issue with this dress is that they've got these boob bits, so you can't really put a bra on underneath it. It kind of needs nipple covers, and now I'm starting to think to myself, do I have nipple covers? I think I do. So this is probably going to be a day dress. So I'm thinking maybe I could wear this in the morning as we go to the boat trip. I like to bring a few dresses that I can just wear if I want to go to breakfast, if I just, you know, I just want something to pull on. Maybe I've just come out of the water, something like that. So I'm thinking that this also Meshki dress that you guys would have seen in a haul recently might work as well. I'm an overpacker, guys, so I'm probably going to have too much stuff, but I like to have I've got this dress that you guys actually haven't seen that I picked up ages ago actually in their sale. It is a dress from Valash, and I just think it's going to be perfect. So I picked up this beautiful, beautiful dress that's got an ombre at the side, and it is quite short and sheer, which, I mean, I don't mind either. I don't mind either. For the right setting, I think it will be fine. Second night we are there, I'm thinking I could wear this dress. I probably would have liked a more dressy bag, but that will have to do. I did have a couple of fails. I picked up this over this cover up from Mars the Label and I hate it. So it's going back. It's too short. I don't like the material. It wasn't, for what it is, it wasn't cheap either. It was like £25 with a discount, so that's going back. I was going to pair it with this bikini that I picked up from Pretty Little Thing, because, you know, I thought like a brown look would be really, really nice. And in theory, it's a yes, but in reality, it's a hard no. It's quite nice. It's like got a keyhole in the middle, but in my mind's eye, I just saw it with a cover up. And since the cover up's not working, I don't think the swimsuit's going to work either. Also, have this Versace swimsuit that I picked up from Bicester Village that I'm going to wear. So I wanted to wear the Versace swimsuit with the cover up on top of my bottom half. And then I have another cover up. It's a skirt cover up that I've got from Club L London. They actually sent this to me. And I also don't have a plan for this one, but I just want to bring it just in case. I don't really want to do the mesh thing. And I prefer to do like a short skirt thing. Then I also ordered a hat from Amazon. I had to really look for hats with, I think it was extra large hats, because I have such a big head. I measured my head and my head is like 65. I think it's inches or centimeters, one of the two. So I had to search like that. So I picked up this hat. Imagine, imagine makeup and braids, right? So I got that for the boat because it's going to be hot as balls and we're going to be like, there's no cover. I've got a few other things that I'm just going to pack. I need to pack my shoes and some accessories, and then I'll be ready to go. I try to pack like 3 outfits a day, and we're going for 4 days. So yeah, I'll probably pack like 3 outfits a day and then an extra 3 outfits, because why not? I've been looking at pictures and a lot of the girls who are wearing red, it just looks so beautiful, especially in the sunset. So I was thinking of picking up something red, but I didn't get a chance. So everything I've got is pretty neutral: white, blacks, creams, greys. I wanted to show you my shoe options. So these are the Shein nude ones that I showed you guys earlier. You can see from the options I have that that's probably going to go with most of what I've got there. And then these are just some flats I picked up from ASOS ages ago. These are really my go-tos. They're going to go with everything again. And then these, I have I think it's this dress here that I picked up also from Meshki that I think that these will go with. They're a bit worn on the inside and they're not the most comfortable, but I think that that dress is going to go best with gold. And then I've got these that are probably going to go with the black and purple Falash dress that I showed you guys. And then I've got these gold sandals, which I probably don't need, but I think that they are going to be probably more like my pool sandals. I hate the gold on them. I think I told you guys before that I wasn't sure about the gold, but it's really chintzy. Like, I prefer this gold, but you know, it's not the end of the world. I think I'm just going to wear them if ever I need to keep my feet covered, because they don't have normal sandy beaches. They've got like rocky sandy beaches, so maybe I'll use that for that. And then I've got my platforms that, again, you can see is probably going to go with what I have in there. These are my bag options. So I'm going to take this Loewe canvas bag. I don't know that I'm actually going to need this because I'm wearing mostly browns, but I do have a black 2-piece that I might use to wear this with. And then I've got my little babe, which I've realised is losing some of its hair. Look. Oh, she's going bald. But yeah, there's her, which, you know, I'm just going to wear. I'll definitely be wearing her on the boat and any other time we are out, maybe at the beach or at the pool. And then I have the clutch that I'm going to wear probably in the evenings. And then I was going to bring my Louis Vuitton wallet on chain, but I'm kind of starting to think that maybe I don't need it. But I might just bring it just in case. It's neutral, it can pretty much go with anything. The only issue is that the the lock is dodgy, so I'm not sure if I want to bring it, but I think I'm just going to take it just in case. So these are all the bags. I'll also be taking my Coach bag, but I'm probably going to wear this on the plane, crossbody, so I won't need to pack that. But these are the ones that I'm going to pack. What I'm going to do is, I've got my gym clothes on. I'm going to go to the gym and I have my returns. So I'm going to stop in the supermarket because I need to pick up some food for the house, for the kids, so that they have everything that they need when we're gone. I'm going to go to the gym. On my way there, I'm going to see if there's anywhere that can do eyebrows. I hate walking into places. I really hate it, but I'm just going to give it a go. Quickly go to the gym, come back, go into the supermarket, get some stuff for the house, return this pretty little thing stuff whilst I'm there, go back home. I've arranged for the wig I ordered it from Etsy. I've never ordered a wig from Etsy before, but I ordered it from Etsy, so I contacted DHL to ask them if they could leave it outside if they get there and I'm not there. So I'm hoping that they don't have to do that and that they just deliver it whilst I'm at home. But if they do have to do that, it shouldn't be outside for too long. Hoping to get all of this done within the next 2 hours. Also, I wanted to arrange for us to have a private yoga session, because apparently they do like yoga sessions for two. That kind of looks out onto the scenery, so I kind of wanted to arrange that, but I'm hoping I'll be able to do that whilst I'm at the gym walking on the treadmill. Also going to pick up some eyelashes from the supermarket. So wish me luck. We've got 2 hours. Let's go. So I just made it home from the gym, but I wanted to show you what has come. Sorry guys about the sound quality. I've forgotten the camera in the car and I just really do not have the time to go back downstairs and get them. So I'm hoping you guys can hear me okay. But I picked up these nails. I just wanted French tips because that's what I got on my toes, and to be honest with you, I'm a bit boring with my nails. I don't usually veer very far off of French tips because professionally I think that's what works best. I can kind of get a bit of both, so I usually go for that or like a nudie pink colour. I ordered the extra wide ones because I do have really long nail beds. Hoping these fit. Please fit, please fit, please fit. So I've got these. I just could not bring myself to get acrylics, guys. You guys have seen my nails. Like, it's an abomination. Probably do just need a break. Okay, they're a little bit small, especially for my thumb. I think my other fingers will be okay. They are a bit small, but they're gonna have to work for me, to be honest, because I don't have the time or the patience to order any new ones. Actually, I lied. I found one that fit. I found one that fit. Yay! We have liftoff. Guys, excuse my appearance. I look so disheveled. And I was able to get them to drop my wig off at the door. I was not here. Trust them to deliver it right when I'm not here. I really don't know what I've got myself into here, but this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I picked up 18 inches. I didn't really want it to be too long. I don't love the smell. I'm gonna have to wash it. Yeah, I don't love the smell. I basically have half an hour to get myself together and get out of this house again. So I'm gonna go and do that, and I will probably pick you guys up again in the morning. Look how beautiful it is. What? Beautiful. Wow. I love Santorini.